Bishopscourt Village is one of Cape Town's smaller and most historic suburbs. Located beneath Table Mountain along the Liesbeek River Garden, its neighbours the magnificent Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden. Its active residents association, which began the private redevelopment of the Upper Liesbeek River Garden in 2004, is an indicator of the type of homeowner that the area attracts. Lovingly maintained, this beautifully restored indigenous riverine is a safe place for families, dogs and children to enjoy picnics, walks and play. From original historic cottages to exceptional family homes and luxury townhouses, properties in Bishopscourt Village are diverse, while values are consistent and secure. Sought after for its convenient location to the M3 freeway, yet tucked away in a tranquil, leafy haven, it offers easy access to the city, airport, exclusive shopping, and many of South Africa's top schools.